Minasan konnichiwa. This is Edita and again welcome to I Speak Japanese. For today, pag-aralan natin paano gamitin ang Japanese expression koto wa nai. The expression koto wa nai in Japanese is used to indicate that there's no need to do something or that an action is unnecessary. This can be translated into English as there's no need to, it's not necessary to, or you don't have to. You can use koto wa nai after the verb dictionary form. Tandaan, gamitin ang koto wa nai after the verb dictionary form. Example, shinpai suru koto wa nai. Shinpai suru koto wa nai, meaning there's no need to worry. Another example, anata ga ayamaru koto wa nai. Anata ga ayamaru koto wa nai, meaning you don't have to apologize. One more example, takai mono o kau koto wa nai yo. Takai mono o kau koto wa nai yo, meaning you don't need to buy expensive things. So guys, gamitin natin ang koto wa nai to express that an action is unnecessary. And remember to use the dictionary form of the verb before koto wa nai. That's all for today guys. I will see you again next time. Thank you for watching.